Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of as. Later that we continue do first derivative of as. Now we apply the formula in here. Before we calculate number 4 multiplied by 7 over 2, we will have about number 14. So if I do first derivative, we just do first derivative of e to the power of 1 over s plus 2. So we keep this one same. Later that we continue do first derivative of 1 over s plus 2. And this one we know that first derivative of 1 over s, you got negative 1 over s squared. First derivative of number 2, you got about 0. And now we just write this one in here. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We apply the formula in here. We have log base of plus base a of b. We can change into ln b over ln a. So we apply this formula in here. And that should be like this. That should be about ln of this one. Should be like this. L over ln number 7. Next, we have the second formula in here. ln of a over b equals to ln a minus ln b. So in this one, we can write into ln of s squared plus 5 minus ln of 4s. Now we have the next formula in here. We have y equals to ln of as plus b. If we do first derivative, we will have about as plus b. We continue to do first derivative over as plus b. So we apply this formula, go in here and here. So we will have about we do first derivative of s squared plus 5 over s squared plus 5. About this one, we do first derivative of 4s over 4s. So we do first derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of number 5, you got about 0. So we write 2s in here. First derivative of 4s, you got about number 4. 4 divided by 4, we got about 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.